Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video. Today I will be showing you guys a simple hairstyle that I will be doing with these extensions. I've had this hair since like last year, and I thought, let me try to do it like a very easy protective styling, just because I was tired of, have my hair out. So right now I'm just unbraiding it. I'm braiding this plait. I'm gonna detangle, and then I will start braiding. And my braiding style is very easy. I just kind of like get hair and use my hair as a third part. And you go, guys, y'all see the lens check there, y'all see my hair is growing. So yes, so my hair has already been washed, detangled, everything, so it's clean. I just wanted a hairstyle that's gonna last me like 2 months or whatever. I stretch it out for 2 months, but I don't think it's gonna last me that long. But anyways, we're gonna find out. Now guys, I'm just braiding it. Like I said, I'm gonna use my hair as my third part, and I'm just gonna keep braiding the hair down. Now as you get to the ends, like the hair is gonna get thinner, yes. But this is what I didn't show you guys at the end of the off camera. I did add some more hair, so it looked a little better at the end. Okay, and I'm also going to be using neem oil on my scalp at the end of the video. Y'all gonna see like towards the end of the video, you guys are gonna see me using neem oil. And neem oil is a hair growth that actually aids in hair growth. And yes, so you guys see the thin ends right there, but I'm gonna add some more hair outside the camera just to plump it up a little bit. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when this girl uploads a video. All right, guys, see y'all next time. Thank you. applying the neem oil hair growth on my hair. Now, neem oil is known for hair growth. It stimulates the scalp, and in return, it, aids in hair growth. Plus, it's good in aiding in the hair not breaking a lot. So yes, so hair strengthening. In turn, you get to keep your hair, so you don't get a lot of hair loss. So in turn, you get to see your length of your hair. So this how I do it. I just kind of like, pat it on my scalp. Then later on, I will massage the oil in my hair scalp and call it a day. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe.